Big changes are on the horizon for Lakeforest Mall in Gaithersburg. If you're interested in knowing what's going on in one of the most prime sections of real estate in Gaithersburg, then this is the video for you. Hi, I'm Kevin Grolig. I'm a real estate agent with Compass located in Potomac, Maryland. I specialize in helping people relocate to Montgomery County, relocate out of Montgomery County, or simply relocate within Montgomery County. If this channel interests you, please click the subscribe button and bang that bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. Well, it's official. It's been speculated for quite some time, but WRS Inc., which is the owner of Lakeforest Mall, officially announced its closure in January for the end of March. Lakeforest Mall officially opened their doors on September 12th, 1978. At the time the mall was opened, the anchor stores were Woodward & Lothrop, JCPenney's, Sears, and Hecht's. When the mall was first opened, they actually had an ice skating rink, and at the time of construction was the largest indoor mall in all of the United States. Over the last 15 to 20 years, unfortunately, Lakeforest Mall has really fallen upon hard times. The mall has been losing anchor stores left and right really since 2017, with Macy's being the last holdout. Macy's just announced in January that they will be closing the store, which really cleared the path for the closure of Lakeforest Mall. New planning has already started with the city of Gaithersburg, and from what I understand, demolition will start in 2024. It's still a little early to say exactly what's going to be taking place here since everything is in the planning stages right now, but I'm going to give you a little bit of a background on what I'm hearing is going to be taking place in the near future. WRS Inc. purchased the core ponds and the conservation area around Lakeforest Mall in 2019. The plans are to clean up the pond and build and construct a boardwalk around the pond with outdoor dining and entertainment, a lot like what you would see at Rio. I also understand that WRS has fielded many inquiries from movie theaters. The movie theaters are supposed to be geared towards adults with food offerings, waiter service, and a bar. I've also learned that there's a national home builder who has signed on to start the construction of the homes that are going to be built at this site. No names mentioned so far, but once again, I'll definitely be following up with you on that. In the sketch plan proposed by WRS in November 2022, it calls for a complete and full redevelopment of this site. The redevelopment will allow for a multi-stage mixed-use community with up to 1,600 residential units, both those for sale as well as for rent. My understanding at this time is they're talking as far as the construction to be townhomes, condominiums, and triplexes. No single families have been mentioned at this time. There will also be 750,000 square feet of commercial space. Furthermore, the sketch plan proposes Montgomery County Department of Transportation's desire to relocate and enhance the Lakeforest Transit Association. This will improve the future operation of the rapid bus transit along Frederick Road. So that's it for today. No question, huge goings on here at the site of Lakeforest Mall over the next few years. I'll be certain to keep you abreast on what's happening and when it happens. But I have to say, coming through here today, it's quite surreal and quite sad to see what used to be a really nice destination point here in Montgomery County really become an eyesore. But I have to say, I'm excited about the future plans, and I'll definitely be keeping you guys in the loop. So what are your thoughts about the new changes here at Lakeforest? Do you have any memories that you want to share? I'd love to hear them. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, place a comment, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and bang that bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. Also, if you're considering a move, buying or selling, you don't know where to go, love to hear from you. Feel free to reach out to me directly by text at 240-793-7495. Thanks once again for checking out the latest video in my series, Real Kevin. See you next week.